Every time I'm here, I'm just like, I can't believe there's like places this pretty, this beautiful. We pretty much are conserving the trail more, and we're also like giving hikers a safer route to get to where they want to go.
You got it.
It's just what we're like giving to California and what we're giving to other people. I think we affect a lot of their like families and friendships and everything just because this trail is like being built here. I want to bring my family hiking and just have them experience this. Like I show them videos and they're just like amazed with how beautiful this place is. It's just, I want everyone to experience it.